Hello, Anthony.
Hello, Claudine.
We're here today to talk about tax and reporting requirements for U.S. persons that live in China and also Chinese people that may be living in the U.S. Now, there is a tax treaty between the U.S. and China.
That's right.
There's also something called universal tax jurisdiction.
Yeah, this is one of the trickiest things about the U.S. tax system that catches a lot of people off guard. Even homegrown Americans don't understand this, that the IRS gets to tax your income no matter where it occurs in the world, in the universe. So income occurring in China, even though you've paid taxes on it in China or wherever your property is, will also be additionally subject to taxes in the U.S. Thing is you typically are allowed to deduct any taxes you've already paid. So double taxation happens a little more rarely than you might think. So with that understanding now, that's sort of the first bad part of it. Now, the second bad part of it is that your income is subject to taxation, but the way it's taxed when it happens to be internationally or foreign, as the IRS calls it, even though if you were born in China, your Chinese income is not foreign to you, the rules are very complicated and they are not very helpful. These rules were developed in the 1960 to make Americans not invest overseas, but the way they are now, they punish people who were born overseas who came to America.
Yep. There are some common issues we see. If someone is holding investments, the reporting requirements needed for that.
Yeah, the reporting requirements can be quite onerous, and a lot of our Chinese clients have not been doing everything correctly. A common issue is that we see first generation wealth where they've had amazing success in manufacturing, textiles, and they don't quite have the right advisors around telling them what to do, and they might feel a little uncomfortable talking about not knowing something. So this is something we're very familiar with, and there's very good reasons why anybody even versed would not understand what's going on. It's incredibly complicated to know.
Closely held corporations where all U.S. parties might not be U.S. persons.
Right. If your company back in China, if your company in China or in Hong Kong has multiple owners, you might have some issues there on proper reporting. And also, it's very common that our clients will gift part of their interest to their children and more as they get older and older. And there's some special rules we want to watch out for there.
Okay. Well, we do have many clients living in China or Chinese people living in the U.S. So if you find that you need assistance, don't hesitate to contact us. Anything you share with us will be kept confidential. You can call us at 888-727-8796. You can email info@irsmedic.com. And we also do have some Mandarin-speaking employees here at the firm as well. Thank you so much for watching.